Hi guys, today we're going to be making hot chocolate mugs. So in order to make these, we have to learn how cylinders work. Because when we see cylinders in real life, there are circles on top of it and it's a round kind of barrel shape. So when we are doing that on a 2D piece of paper, we have to make those circles, but since we're not looking at them from the top view and from the side view, they're just going to turn out as ovals. So we want to make our ovals, again, very narrow. And depending on how we make those, depends on how everything else turns out. Now, we have to make parallel lines going straight on the sides of this oval. So when we make our lines, we can't make them anywhere besides the very edge. So where the middle is here, I have a line, straight line coming down, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so those steps are important, but also the step down here to finish our cylinder is important as well, because we can't make this a flat line because that won't represent the shape of the cylinder, since again the cylinder is around like a barrel, so we need to show that curve down here as well. So that kind of mimics the line that we have up here. Okay, and then we can make the handle. You can get fancy with whatever handle you want. I'm just going to make a fairly simple handle here. And then again, I'm going to mimic that shape and have something like that. Now I want to make an outer rim so it shows what's inside. That's going to start from halfway on the oval and end halfway on the oval there. And then you can color this in, if it's hot chocolate, you can color in brown. We might go over some other fancy ways of coloring that if you want to. So as far as the designs go, that's up to you, but our design should kind of go on the same kind of slant as our ovals are. So they shouldn't really be straight across. If you're trying to do straight lines, they would actually have some curve to them because they would be fading and going around that mug. So same thing goes with some zigzags. And you can kind of do whatever you want. If you want to do other things rather than just lines and designs, you can. Okay, so just kind of make it up from there. One thing is we have to put in the table line. So the table line goes through the cup. And I would even put it halfway through the cup. Okay, so there's your basics, and then you go in and you color the background, and we'll add some lines and designs to either like the wallpaper or the table. Okay, thanks. Bye.